Are you looking for the best corded circular saw for home use in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top best corded circular saw for home use that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Makita Magnesium Circular Saw. The Makita 5800NB is a powerful, lightweight and durable saw that is perfect for any job site. It has a 15.0 amp motor that delivers 5,800 RPM for consistent performance and long-lasting durability. The saw also features two built-in LED lights that illuminate the line of cut for increased accuracy. The large cutting capacity 2.5 inches at 90 degree and bevel capacity 0 degree to 56 degree, with positive stops at 22.5 degree and 45 degree make this saw perfect for any job. The 1-year warranty makes this saw a great investment for any job site. At number 2, Craftsman Circular Saw. The DeWalt DCS578X1 is a high-performance cordless circular saw that is ideal for a variety of applications. The saw features a powerful motor that runs at 5,500 RPM for fast, aggressive cutting and a 71/4 inch 18T carbide-tipped blade that can handle up to 21/8 inches of material. The tool-free beveling shoe pivots up to 55 degrees for angled cuts, and the saw has detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for ease of use. The magnesium shoe is durable and reduces weight, and the metal upper and lower guard add durability. The metal rafter hook is convenient, and the contoured over-molded handle provides added comfort during use. The saw comes with a 3-year limited warranty. At number 3, Worx Compact Circular Saw. The DeWalt DCS578X1 is a powerful and versatile cordless circular saw that is perfect for a variety of applications. With a powerful motor that runs at 5,500 RPM, it can easily handle aggressive cutting, and the 71/4 inch 18T carbide-tipped blade can cut through up to 21/8 inches of material. The tool-free beveling shoe pivots up to 55 degrees for angled cuts, and the saw has detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for ease of use. The magnesium shoe is durable and reduces weight, and the metal upper and lower guard add durability. The metal rafter hook is convenient, and the contoured over-molded handle provides added comfort during use. The saw comes with a 3-year limited warranty. At number 4, Evolution Circular Track Saw. The Makita 15 amp 7.25 inches. Circular saw with LED light is designed to cut a wide range of materials without changing blades. The powerful 15 amp high-torque motor accurately cuts with an adjustable 2-1/2 depth. The LED light illuminates the line of cut for increased accuracy, even in low light situations. The included 40 inches track provides precise cutting on long boards. The ergonomic soft grip handles are designed for increased comfort and control. The dust extraction port and adapter help keep the work area clean. The premium 7.25 inches blade is designed for long life and durability. The 0 to 45 degrees bevel tilt with pivot provides compatible and precise cutting capabilities. At number 5, SKIL Magnesium Saw. The left blade Sidewinder is a powerful and accurate tool that is perfect for a variety of different projects. The all-magnesium construction is durable and reduces user fatigue, while the powerful dual-field motor increases cooling and extends tool life. The best-in-class torque improves productivity and increases speed of cut, and the extended 56-degree bevel adds capacity for a wider variety of cuts. This tool is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful saw that can handle a variety of different tasks. It is a great choice for both professional and amateur users alike. At number 6, Skil Worm Drive Circular Saw. Looking for a powerful and durable saw that can handle all your cutting needs? Look no further than the larger-than-life saw. This saw is designed for cutting 4x cleanly and efficiently in one pass, making your job easier and faster. The 15 amp dual-field motor is specifically designed for saws, providing relentless power and durability. The magnesium construction of the saw means it is built to last, and the anti-snag lower guard ensures smooth operation even when cutting small pieces. The 51-degree bevel allows users to complete a wider variety of cuts, making this saw a versatile and essential tool for any workspace. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.